The salmon industry is massive. It's a global giant spanning continents and oceans. From the cold waters of the North Atlantic to the vast Pacific, salmon farming has become a cornerstone of the global food supply. This industry feeds millions worldwide, and it's worth billions of dollars. The journey of salmon from the farm to your plate is a complex and fascinating process, involving countless hands and advanced systems. This remarkable success isn't just about demand, it's also about technology. The integration of cutting-edge machinery and innovative techniques has propelled the industry to new heights. Cutting-edge technology is transforming how we find, farm, and process salmon. From automated feeding systems to underwater drones monitoring fish health, technology is at the heart of modern salmon farming. This essay dives deep into these innovations. We'll uncover the science and engineering that make it all possible, exploring the breakthroughs that have revolutionized the industry. We'll explore how technology is shaping the future of this billion-dollar industry. Data analytics, artificial intelligence, and robotics are just a few of the tools being used to optimize every aspect of salmon farming. Today, salmon farming is a high-tech operation. It's a far cry from the traditional methods of the past, with digital monitoring and precision farming leading the way. It relies on sophisticated tools and techniques. These advancements ensure that the fish are healthy, the environment is protected, and the operations are efficient. These advancements have revolutionized the industry. The transition from manual labor to automated systems has not only increased productivity but also improved the quality and sustainability of the fish produced. They've boosted efficiency, improved sustainability, and increased profitability. The use of renewable energy sources and sustainable practices ensures that the industry can continue to grow without harming the planet. Prepare to be amazed by the technology behind every bite of salmon. From the farm to your fork, the journey of salmon is a testament to human ingenuity and technological progress. Satellites are no longer just for communication or navigation. They play a crucial role in understanding salmon migration patterns. These patterns are essential for sustainable fishing practices. Satellites track tagged salmon as they journey across vast oceans. They provide valuable data on their movements and behaviors. This information helps scientists and fisheries manage stocks effectively. This technology allows for real-time monitoring. Scientists can identify potential overfishing zones. They can also implement measures to protect vulnerable populations. By understanding migration routes, we ensure healthy salmon populations. This sustainable approach safeguards the industry for future generations. Underwater drones are transforming salmon farming. Equipped with artificial intelligence, these drones offer unprecedented insights. They can navigate complex underwater environments, and they can monitor fish behavior with remarkable precision. AI algorithms analyze the collected data in real time. They detect signs of disease, stress, or nutritional deficiencies in the salmon. This early detection is critical. It allows farmers to address issues proactively. This prevents outbreaks and minimizes losses. AI-powered drones are revolutionizing fish welfare. They are also optimizing production in salmon farming. Processing salmon is a labor-intensive task. Traditionally, it required skilled workers, but the industry is changing. Robotic filleting machines are now commonplace. These machines are incredibly efficient. They can process massive volumes of salmon with remarkable speed and precision. This automation reduces reliance on manual labor. Robotic filleting doesn't just improve efficiency, it also enhances product quality. The machines ensure consistent cuts. This maximizes yield and minimizes waste. Consumers benefit from uniform portions, and the industry benefits from increased profitability. Section 5. The sustainability equation, balancing profit with preservation. The salmon industry faces a significant challenge. On one hand, there is an ever-increasing demand for salmon, driven by a growing global population and rising consumer preferences for healthy protein sources. On the other hand, the industry must also address the pressing need to protect our environment. This dual challenge requires innovative solutions. Technology offers a promising path forward. By integrating advanced technologies, the industry can adopt more sustainable practices. These practices not only enhance production efficiency, but also significantly reduce the environmental footprint of salmon farming. Precision farming techniques powered by data analytics and artificial intelligence are at the forefront of this transformation. These technologies enable farmers to monitor and manage their operations with unprecedented accuracy, minimizing environmental impact. For example, AI-powered feeding systems can optimize the amount of feed given to the fish, reducing waste and ensuring that the fish receive the right nutrients at the right time. This not only minimizes pollution but also helps protect the delicate marine ecosystems surrounding the farms. Clean water is essential for both the health of the fish and the environment. Similarly, recirculating aquaculture systems, or RAS, play a crucial role in sustainable salmon farming. These systems filter and reuse water, drastically reducing the need for fresh water and minimizing waste. The integration of advanced technology in fish farming is helping the industry find a delicate balance. It allows for increased production while ensuring that environmental impacts are kept to a minimum. Ultimately, the goal is to achieve a harmonious balance where profitability and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. By leveraging technology, the salmon industry can pave the way for a more sustainable and prosperous future. Section 6, Case Study, Norway's tech-driven salmon success. Norway is a global leader in salmon production. The country's success is largely due to its embrace of technology. Norwegian salmon farms utilize cutting-edge techniques. They use acoustic sensors to monitor fish behavior. They use underwater cameras for remote monitoring. And they use data analytics to optimize production. This tech-driven approach has yielded impressive results. Norway boasts high yields, healthy fish, and minimal environmental impact. The country serves as a model for other nations looking to enhance their salmon industries. Section 7, A Glimpse into the Future, Aquaculture's Next Wave. The future of the salmon industry is exciting. New technologies are emerging all the time. Blockchain technology could enhance traceability. It could track salmon from farm to fork, improving transparency and safety. Gene editing technologies hold the potential to breed disease-resistant salmon. This could further reduce reliance on antibiotics. These advancements promise to further revolutionize the industry. They could lead to even greater efficiency, sustainability, and profitability. The future of salmon is intertwined with the future of technology. Section 8. The future is automated, ensuring a sustainable and profitable future for salmon. The billion-dollar salmon industry is undergoing a technological revolution. This transformation is driven by the need to meet the growing global demand for seafood while addressing environmental concerns. From satellites tracking migration patterns, providing invaluable data on the movement and behavior of salmon in the wild, to AI-powered drones monitoring fish health, ensuring that each fish is thriving and reducing the risk of disease outbreaks, technology is transforming every aspect of production. These advancements are not just about efficiency, they are about creating a more sustainable and responsible industry. These innovations are enhancing efficiency, improving sustainability, and increasing profitability. Automated feeding systems ensure that fish receive the right amount of food at the right time, reducing waste and promoting healthier growth. As we look to the future, we see a landscape where technology and nature work hand in hand. It's clear that technology will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the salmon industry. By embracing these advancements, we can create a balance between meeting human needs and preserving the environment. We can ensure a future where salmon remains a staple on our plates, providing a nutritious and delicious source of protein for people around the world, and a future where the industry thrives while minimizing its environmental footprint. Sustainable practices such as recirculating aquaculture systems reduce water usage and prevent pollution. The future of salmon is bright, thanks to the power of technology. With continued innovation and commitment to sustainability, we can look forward to a thriving industry that benefits both people and the planet.